In the heart of America, a storm brews, not of weather, but of words, laws, and legacies. A challenge to a principle held since the 14th Amendment, birthright citizenship. For generations, the promise was clear: born here, belong here. But now, that promise faces its greatest test. An executive order, bold and unprecedented, aims to alter the very fabric of American identity. The nation's highest court steps in, weighing history, law, and the future. Can one leader redefine a constitutional guarantee? The justices probe, challenged, and deliberate. In homes across the nation, families hold their breath, futures hanging in the balance. Words written in the aftermath of a civil war, now under scrutiny in a modern courtroom. Supporters hail the move as necessary reform. Opponents see it as an affront to foundational values. As the sun sets, the nation waits. Will the court uphold tradition or embrace change? In this pivotal moment, the soul of the nation is on trial. Stay informed. Stay engaged. Subscribe for more in-depth analysis on pivotal issues.